Hi foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making coconut rice. So these are the main ingredients for this recipe. I'll be using 3 cups of basmati rice and also coconut milk 400 ml and chicken stock. I'll be using the seasoned powder that's coconut flavored, 1 red onion, 2 spring onions, 1 medium scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, and 1 medium red bell pepper as well. So in a heated pan, I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of butter. If you're new to this channel, please support me by hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell as well. I'll upload new recipes every week. So I'm adding red onion right now. I'm just reducing the heat because I want it to be properly cooked and sauteed for about 2 minutes while I'm adding the other ingredients as well. So I'm adding the scotch bonnet peppers. I'm also adding the ginger as well right now. I'm just giving it a good stir to make sure they're properly cooked. So right now I'm adding the spring onions as well too. I'm still giving it a good stir. I'll be adding the red bell peppers. I'm adding half of the peppers right now. I'm preserving the remaining half for the end of this recipe. So I'm just giving it a good stir. Right now I'll be adding my ingredients. I'm adding about a tablespoon of thyme. I'm also going to be adding about a teaspoon of minced herbs. And also about a teaspoon of basil as well. And I'm just stirring it to make sure the ingredients are incorporated with the veggies. So I'm adding black pepper, about 1 tablespoon of black pepper. I'm just drizzling it all over the veggies as well. So I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of nutmeg powder. So right now I'll be adding the coconut milk. I'm just drizzling it all over the veggies. So I'm increasing the gas a little bit to make sure the coconut milk is cooking properly right now. So I'll be adding my chicken stock little by little to make sure it's finally incorporated together with the coconut milk. So I'm just stirring it and I'm adding it little by little. So right now I'll be adding the coconut seasoning flavour. I mixed about 2 tablespoons in warm water. I'm just drizzling it all over the coconut milk. I'm adding 1 stock cube as well, and I'll be adding about a teaspoon of salt. And I'm still mixing it to make sure they're properly incorporated together. So you want to allow this to sit and boil. When it's boiling, that's when you can add the rice. You want to make sure you wash the rice with warm water to get rid of the starchy content in the rice before adding it into the coconut milk that is boiling in the fire. So right now this is cooking under high heat because I'm using basmati rice and I want it to get cooked really quick. So I'll be covering the rice with tin foil to conserve the moisture in the rice. So I'm just using the tin foil to cover all the edges of the pot. You want to make sure the pot is completely covered and no moisture is escaping. So just use the tin foil to cover it properly. So I'll just leave it for about 7 minutes to cook on high heat. And I'm coming back to check my rice and you can see this rice looks good. It's properly cooked right now. So I'll be adding the remainder of the medium bell peppers. So I'm just pouring it in and I'm mixing it as well, reducing my heat of the gas, and I'm mixing it as well, giving it a good mix. You can see this looks good right now. So this is my coconut rice. I'm just going to be adding my protein of choice. I'll be using chicken for this recipe. I'm just adding it on top of the rice and you can see this is how my rice looks like. It looks good and it even tastes yummy as well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I hope to see you guys next time. Thank you.